The PNP and the AFP assure they have not monitored any security threat in connection with the upcoming Feast of the Black Nazarene in Manila. This despite the apprehension of several civilians with high-powered guns at the Quiapo Church this morning. Just the same, the PNP and CRPO is on heightened alert with the AFP and CR on standby. More from Pao Requesto.
The Armed Forces of the Philippines and Philippine National Police guaranteed that they have not monitored any credible and specific threat in the conduct of the Feast of the Black Nazarene. This is in spite of the police arresting 5 men who were carrying high-caliber guns within the vicinity of Quiapo Church this morning. Authorities have laid down the security measures they will employ as well as the roles of the AFP and MMDA during the procession. Furthermore, the police force will maintain their heightened alert to ensure the safety of the devotees. PNP is also discouraging the public from wearing caps and bringing knapsacks so they will not have to undergo inspection.
Kung pupunta kayo doon is yung transparent yung mga bags natin, and then dinidiscourage yung pagsusuot ng cap and backpack, but of course it's not absolute. Appeal po yun. If you have that kind of things, then we will be thoroughly inspected.
Around 5,000 cops and 900 military personnel will be deployed during the event. There will be 5 support groups from AFP which will assist the PNP in providing security during the Feast of the Black Nazarene.
Yung sa Armed Forces po, mas malaki po ang monitoring na ginagawa namin sa iba't ibang lugar. Kasama na rin po yung local. Pero nakakonsentrate po sa local ngayon ay ang ating PNP at yung city ng Manila. So, supportive ang role ng ating armed forces at ang kanilang direct participation ay sa pamamagitan po ng Joint Task Force National Command o NCR, JTF-NCR sa pamumuno ni General Aloba. Ang ating pong nakatalagang mga tauhan dito ay humigit kumulang nasa 900 personnel kabilang ng lahat ng mga serbisyo ng ating hukbong sandatahan. May galing po ng Army dyan, galing po ng Navy, galing po ng Air Force.